Alright, here we are at DW Productions testing the new capability of live recording while flying the DJI RS2. Hopefully this is working okay. We are filming from beautiful Fort Pierce, Florida, home of Moon Swiner's Barbecue and the SAP Special, also known as the Super Pork Combo. It is Wednesday, April 5th, I believe, about 8 o'clock in the morning. And we're just going to zoom around the hood here and do a little live commentary. Basically, setting this up so Pilot Norm can do live commentary while filming our incredible, exciting remote control jet and helicopter videos for DW Productions in association with Sapo Studios. Here we have one of the lovely neighborhood pools. I was going to fly over to Sonny's Barbecue, speaking of barbecue, but in a tragic occurrence, they have permanently shut down their Fort Pierce location, probably several years overdue. Let's follow this neighbor out the neighborhood, probably make them super nervous. They've got a drone trailing them. Oh, they're getting out to yell. That's going to be a memo to the Homeowners Association right there, without a doubt. Alright, hopefully this is going well. We're not going to go too long here. Beautiful Fort Pierce, and it's all its glory. There's the savannas. Put it in sport mode here, zip around. Cruising at about 40 miles an hour. 41, 42, 42.8, 43. Topping out at 43 mph today. There's the intercoastal. Did not take the time to put an ND filter on, as this is just going to be a quick test of our new audio situation. There's our walking trail. It's about 2 miles long at the Savannas National Recreation Center there. Myself and my daughter go walk. Try to do it several times a week. One of my favorite benches here to rest. Ha ha ha. Anyway, that's about it. Let's go ahead and bring it on home. I'll pull up the map here. We'll follow the red line. Take the more scenic route here, skip the mobile home park. We're at 221 feet. We're going to start lowering for landing. Already down to about 100 feet right now. Someone illegally parked. Gonna get a memo. I can hear the drone. I can feel the drone. I can smell the drone. Whoop, and the drone went by. Not sure quite how I passed the house. There I am. Zoom in. Not support. Oh, got to be filming to zoom. Let me try to film then. Alright, we're filming. Now can we zoom? Check that out. Well, I guess I missed it because it's another red vehicle. Alright, I hear it getting closer. There we go. We can zoom in and read some license plates. Gotta love the zoom. Zoom back out. And we will come in in sport mode, so we turn off all the sensors. Hopefully we don't do a crash situation. And that is a test of our new audio system with our lapel mic plugged directly into the new RC DJI controller. And if we can get it landed here on the truck, it'll be a successful day. Probably see some airplanes there. And that is it for DW Productions today.